constituency, leading a delegation of members of parliament of the Committee of Administration and Internal Security in the National Assembly. And we are doing what we call the oversight visit in Kisii County. We visited the Civil Registry Office and also the NRB. We wanted to find out the challenges that they are facing and how the services are being offered to their citizens. And one thing we have realized on the issue of the IDs, we still have a problem with citizens who come from the border counties, because there was a directive from the president that we have to eliminate the issue of screening. But from the process as it is today, it still looks like the border county citizens are not able to get their documents in time, because there's still a bit of verification that needs to be done and a lot of documents that are supposed to be produced. It is something that we'll take up as a committee, because we realize that most of these citizens already have birth certificates indicating that they are Kenyans, born in Kenya. The parents are Kenyans from the local tribes. That means that the other process that they have to undergo is being discriminative. We have also seen that on the issue of the registration, in the county, they are already at 150%. Because they're supposed to register about 25,000, they've already done 34,000, meaning that they're doing well on the issue of registration. The only challenge, again, that we have realized on that end is that when people register, again, they're not collecting IDs. Because in Kisii County as a whole, we have a backlog of 12,000 IDs that are uncollected. We would want to urge Mwananchi to, when you register, make sure you follow up. And the process nowadays, and especially where we have the live capture machines, is taking a shorter period for IDs to be produced, and citizens should go for them. This will also enable them to exercise their democratic right of voting when we come next year. So we also urge them that when you get the IDs, ensure that you register as a voter, to give you an opportunity to make a decision when we come to that. On this issue of the civil registry, not many challenges. They are able to give the birth certificates, for example. If one produces the documents, they are able to go with the birth certificate on the same day. It's a one-day service. So on that end, I think we want to commend the officers and what they are doing. They have a bit of challenges because recently we had the presidential directive to decentralize and to operationalize all sub-counties as civil registries, meaning that we have a shortage of staff and infrastructure. That, as a committee, we'll also be able to look into as we do a budget. Otherwise, generally on the issue of security, Kisii County, according to the representative of the DCC, is relatively calm, and we want Wananchi to continue to keep peace even as we move to the election year. Citizens. That's what we have said, that we have taken it up as a committee, and we'll follow up with the the principal secretary in the State Department to ensure that they easen the process, so that those citizens, because we have actually seen cases, Honorable Kaluma was talking about it here, where we have students in some of our schools around, and the students from the inner counties are getting the IDs and the birth certificate, but those from especially the Subas, they are being taken through a whole process simply because, and even the couriers, because they're from the border counties. That is something you're going to pick up with the State Department, so that within the service charter, they eliminate some of those bottlenecks.